Captain Rory. I come from a very small island known as Australia. I was just annoyed that Pua didn't get to go on the journey. The pig.
Oh, yeah.
But see how Maui was with Hey Hey, I don't want to know how he'd be with Pua. Now, in real life, that canoe there would take about 4 to 8 people. And it would go on journey. Now, as you go throughout the rest of the holiday here in Hawaii,
Junior will do. This part of the show is dedicated for the ladies. Ladies, sit back and relax, because today, the men are going to perform for you. How do you like that, ladies? I can't hear them. I can't hear you. Make some noise, ladies.
I'm in Hawaii. I'm on vacation. I'm in Hawaii.